Let's take a look at how to work with dashboards in Logmanager. You can start by choosing from a library of predefined dashboards. We'll open one of them now. From here, you can create a clone to build your own custom dashboard. After renaming it, you can reorder and reorganize the panels however you like. You can also add a new panel from the library of predefined ones. In this example, we'll choose a 40-gate panel. Once added, it will appear at the bottom of your dashboard. You can also create completely custom panels. Let's create a new one now. Choose a pie chart and select 40-gate as the data source. Next, we'll add some data points. In our case, the destination IP address. Click Save. We can continue adding more slices to the pie chart if needed. There are also additional settings available, such as choosing between a donut or a regular pie chart. After saving the panel, it's added to our custom dashboard. Once you're happy with your dashboard layout, click Save. Now, let's set this dashboard as our default. Search for your newly created dashboard and save the change. From now on, this custom dashboard will be shown every time you log into the system.